turbo whistle, bro. What the? I'm with the Beamer boys. I'm with the Beamer boys right now. My boy got the 5X, the X5M. My boy got the 535i. My boy got the 540. And I'm in the American. I feel out of place as hell. But if y'all, I don't think I'll update y'all, but I do have a BMW on the way, so I'm not missing out too much. But my boy, what's your fastest 0 to 60?
0 to 60? I
Yeah,
like 3.5.
3.5? Okay.
That's on a regular OTS too, they ain't custom that.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
It look like a little toy or something. What?
How you drop so low to the ground, bro?
I got used to it, but it's still
like you sit on the floor, bro.
like to this day I still be struggling to get out this. This is tough as non-LCI. Go fucking crazy. What's the original color? I don't know. This shit is tough as fuck, man. How y'all feel about the X5? Let me know in the comment section down below how y'all feel about the X5, bro. Do y'all like X5s or do y'all like X6s? I know a lot of people like the X6 more, but I can't tell you, bro. I can't tell you. You said the X6 too heavy?
Too heavy, way too heavy.
The X7 heavy as a bitch.
X5.
X5 all the way? Hi. Regular. What's good? What's good? Yes, sir. Hey, why the hell y'all got book bags? Where y'all just came from? School?
Hell yeah.
What the fuck? Y'all niggas, y'all look old as hell. Y'all ain't in school.
No cap, I seen you driving this bitch like 2 weeks ago.
Where was that?
I think you was like over there at Chesterfield or some shit.
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking like, damn, that's a Lambo.
What's up, niggas? Yeah, he ain't even got that shit. You going F10? You going F10 again? You going F10 again? If you go F5?
I'm gonna go G30.
Oh,
G30?
G30?
Hell yeah. I want a B58 just to race it.
Man. You put oil in here?
Said what?
You got oil in here?
I was just checking the level to make sure. Just to make sure.
This shit has smoke coming out, I ain't gonna lie.
This shit tough though. I like this fucking I like the steering wheel. This shit is like thick. Pause.
You don't fuck with it?
No, I fuck with it. Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, man, hold on.
I want to get this nigga.
Y'all supposed to go to the park though.
Yeah.
I was gonna park right here.
Fuck no.
You tripping, bro. What?
They gonna hate on your shit.
Y'all want to park somewhere? Alright, so we're going for this is actually my first time ever riding in an X5M. I don't even know what to expect, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, roll up your window, bro. You never know, dog.
Ain't nothing in there.
Pull that motherfucker up.
Look, if you think about it, right?
Yeah.
If you roll the windows down, ain't no window for them to break.
You right, but they gonna be searching through your shit though.
Oh, they can. Ain't nothing in there unless they want some condoms.
Shit. Bro, what you think? This interior or a tri-cock interior, bro?
That's a good question.
Bro, I'm picking this shit with track any day.
Any day, bro.
Over
I can
any
tell,
SRT, bro.
They both got the
bro.
double panoramic. You got ambient light in here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude.
Nigga,
This off
watch,
rip,
bro.
off rip this, bro.
Man say off rip, bro. Man say you picking a track.
Anything with the ambient lighting, bro, off rip this, bro.
Tracks don't got ambient lighting for practice?
No, you
Nah,
you gotta do that shit.
you gotta do that shit at the market.
You gotta get that little launch.
Holy
The big
shit.
body X5M, bro. But this shit gonna make your stomach hurt.
Damn! Oh, shit, oh, fuck! What the fuck?
Nigga, this bitch pushing back, bro. God damn, bro.
Nah, this shit.
I turn around this way.
Yeah. You can rest this get behind this white truck.
Trying to tell you, bro. Nigga gotta get me. We're not the SRTs, bro. BMW's up, bro. BMW, bro.
You see, I'm finna make the switch.
Make that switch, bro.
God damn! What the fuck?
Shit crazy, bro.
What the fuck? Nah, this is tough.
This nigga head keep bouncing back and forth, bro. God damn, bro.
This shit crazy.
You beat a track before?
I ain't raced the track yet. I only raced the SRT G. I waxed that nigga though.
Oh, yeah, you waxed
I whacked that nigga
Waxing
though.
the XRTG for sure.
Yeah, bro, even in my shit, bro, even scats can kill. I kill scats and comfort on my shit.
I believe it. Hell yeah. You gotta be 58.
Damn, bro.
That shit crazy, bro.
Twin, the X5, the X5
Nah, this shit different,
M
bro.
is
Crazy.
Boy, and y'all shit don't be overheated.
I'm
I'ma ask y'all.
I ain't getting no
Overheating is
problems with this
crazy.
bitch. I ain't getting no problems, bro.
Overheating is
Only
wicked.
thing, I drink a little bit of oil though. A little bit of oil.
Some of my Hellcats did that, so that ain't. Damn, y'all.
But this shit
X5
callous
M
though,
is
so definitely gonna smell the smoke. Like,
Makes sense.
Yeah, catalyst don't break.
Down pipes.
yeah.
Right.
Crazy though.
BMW's where it's at, bro.
I'm definitely finna get on the BMW wave, bro. They been asking for it. They been asking. But it was like, once I got my Mercedes, I'm like, all right, cool. Once they stole that from me, I'm like, do I get another one? I'm like, nah, not really. I'm like, cool. Do I go Audi?
Nah,
No,
Audi trash.
because
He's trash.
I'm like, do I go Audi? Like, no, I don't go Audi. I'm like, damn, what the fuck do I get? I'm like, hell no, I ain't getting no BMW. Then I posted on my story like, what y'all want to see?
You can't turn on.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Because, like,
Dang.
the BMW content always gonna be there, bro.
No cap, and it's a hell of a fan base for this shit too. Like beyond just being a nigga and wanting to see Hellcats.
God damn, bro.
What the fuck? Oh yeah, I know some track hall haters right now. They like,
Track cut.
Yeah, you
Bring me
did
a
shit.
track. Bring me a track, bro. Bring me a track.
bring him a track, bring him a track, bro.
Bring me a track.
I know a couple of niggas with some tracks. I ain't gonna lie. Quick, bro. With the fucking brakes. Twin, this shit is quick. What the fuck? X5 fucking M.
What you think about that one?
Nah, that shit is tough. I ain't gonna kill.
I ain't about to touch my mind. Nah, you gotta drive this motherfucker though.
I gotta drive it.
Hell yeah.
Am I responsible for anything that breaks?
Good, bro. Good,
Are you sure, bro? I'm driving a BMW, bro.
First time in the Beamer.
This my-
find out.
Oh shit, hold on. How I do it? Oh,
How I do it. Yeah.
I'm still only used to
let me set this bitch up.
Mopars for a little bit. Don't wanna hit the Lambo. Don't wanna hit the X5. All right, cool.
Even the technology in this motherfucker is crazy, bro.
Oh shit.
Wicked, dog.
So do it park itself?
Yeah, bro, nigga, his shit pockets off all that too.
That's the executive package.
Bro,
The executive package goes
Gotta
stupid.
get the executive package, bro. Crazy.
We good? Are we good? I'm scared. I don't wanna hit it.
nigga said I'm scared.
I feel like something gonna break, bro.
Good, bro.
Damn. What the fuck? Why your shit like that?
My hands, bro.
You hear them fucking turbos, nigga? What the fuck? Nigga! Oh yeah, I'm going through air. I'm going through all the hoods,
All
nigga.
that-
Jackson
all that
Ward.
shit, nigga.
I'm going through all the hoods popping like this, bro. Jackson Ward, Hillside. I'm gonna just go through that bitch like. What the fuck?
Right now, it's not even pushing max power because my 2 sensors are fucked up right now. Not even auto power is pushing.
Bro, this should be illegal. There you go.
But you know what's crazy? If I put this in comfort, it's not gonna pop no more.
Good, that's how
Bro,
that's
look.
how it should be.
put this bitch in cover, it's not gonna, you can do it, it's not gonna pop. You can stay at exhaust though, but it's not gonna pop.
So do you launch this thing?
Huh?
Do you launch it much?
My shit rear wheel drive, it's gonna spin, bro. I mean, you can launch it. You can launch it right here. Go ahead. Turn it. Launch control off.
Nah, he ain't hold it long
Hold
enough.
on, you hold it long enough.
I ain't hold it long enough.
Nah. Go ahead.
Get a 3K RPMs.
All right. Put it like 3K. Yeah, you good. Like 3K
Put
RPMs.
it in manual mode. It's a drive.
Manual, how do that?
Yeah, like just yeah, down shift.
Nah, put it in.
Go ahead.
See, it cut traction.
It did cut traction a little
Yeah, it went sideways.
Finna parallel park this motherfucker.
I gotta put these O2 sensors in, bro.
And you put them in yourself?
But we do everything on our own, bro.
Oh, what the fuck?
Nigga, that's how I got it. You gotta be, bro.
Y'all work on BM.
Bruh.
Nah, hell no. Y'all bold, bro. So like, have you ever like drove a Charger before?
My older brother got a Scat. That shit was so ass, bro.
No, it is, bro. You can't compare like features and shit though. You cannot compare them at all.
Engineering is just crazy, bro.
It is, and I noticed that when I got my Mercedes. I'm like, what the fuck, nigga? Cars do this shit? I'm like, what? And ever since then, I'm like, no, I gotta keep a German car in the lineup, bro. And I haven't had one since.
American or German?
Oh, you said what you say?
You fuck with more American cars or German cars?
Oh, German cars for sure. German cars for sure.
I don't know. That shit is.
German car. I mean, the American shit is just fun, like. But like, and the actual, if I had to pick one car, like one car is coming from Germany, bro. I'm not hearing it, bro. It would probably be like a GT or M8 or some shit. But yeah, nah, having a bunch of Chargers. What the fuck, nigga? This nigga grill just closed.
Yeah, they got the active grill on the drink.
Nigga, what the fuck did I just see?
It's a fan. Like it open when the car like get hot and shit, and then when it cool down, close.
Nigga,
It's going close. This shit open too.
are you dead ass?
Yeah. Look, you hear that bitch breathing right now?
You dead ass? This shit just gonna close?
That bitch breathing. And it's gonna close when it cool down.
For 10 minutes, it's gonna run the fan, so the oil cool down. Then once it's done, it's gonna turn right off. So it's gonna sound like it for like 10 minutes straight.
What the fuck, nigga? That's tough. Hey, I literally just was talking and I seen this nigga grill close. I'm like, huh? Alright, y'all, so I just gave him that ride and we've been sitting here talking for a little minute, but this F30 just pulled up and it's lowered, stage 2. I wanna see that motherfucker take off, I ain't gonna lie. You gotta make sure it's safe. You gotta make sure that motherfucker's safe, twin. Shit smooth though. That shit is tough. Alright man, so that's the end of today's video. If y'all want to see more BMW content, let me know in the comment section down below and we're gonna bring you all the sweet BMW content. And yeah, we'll catch y'all boys in the next vlog. I'm gone.